Alright fellas, we got a 2014 Ford Explorer here. As you can see, I got all this headliner down and everything. They opened the sunroof all the way back, blow the tubes out because sunroof was leaking. They figured the tubes were stopped up, but when they rolled it back, it never went back forward. So I've been testing it. First thing you need to do is come out to the hood, check it right here. This fuse right here, number 8, 20 amp for the sunroof. Here's your diagram, wiring diagram. See there, fuse 8, 20 amp. There's your roof switch over here. So, first thing you do, you guys get this out, which I put it back in so I could switch it easily. You just pull down on the back and it'll pop right out. Alright, now the shade works on this one, so I wasn't worried about that motor. I didn't test it, but this purple wire here and this purple wire over here are for this glass motor over here, which was hooked up here, which once it gets here, it is these two wires on the end here, which I'm in wide angle so I can't really focus too good, but these two on the end here, opposite side of the connector release. It is orange and brown and blue and brown. Now to get this out, you need to pop this side loose. There is no pole handle over here, so it is just popped into these, and then once you get these 3 popped loose, it slides down into these, so you need to pick it up and pull it out. And over here you have a handle that you need to pop the covers off of. Oh, my handle fell out. Let me go around the other side. There's my handle. These are 7mm or 9/32 screws. And then it pops out. Just one up here, and then you lift it up out of these slots down the bottom. Then you need to take that out. It's a T25, I believe, T25 torque screw, what I was using. Let's see. No, T20, sorry, T20. And that'll take these out. Now on this end, I used this hook pick and got up under this and popped these clips loose here. And then you can get to these 2 screws, pull it out. Now this clip here is glued to the headliner. So you need to pop that loose and then push on the center button right there, and then pull the connectors loose to get those out. It's kind of a pain. And then once you got the A and B pillars out and the sun visors out, you can pop this headliner down, and as you can see, let me show you here, this is a magnet. This is how this thing holds up right there. That's how the headliner stays up, besides the screws in the front. Then once you get that down, the motor will have 3 screws, which if I can get one for you, show you. They are 8mm, or they have a T20 center. And they are one right here, tubing, and one right here. Then you just have to forcefully pretty much pop this loose right here, and it'll come out. This is your problem. When your sunroof leaks, it gets water up in this circuit board and pretty much just destroys this thing. You can see how nasty this thing gets.
What's wrong with it?
The motor pops loose from in between these two cables.